So let's go to add unit test cases, create another package class dot service student. This is student service. We are now decided to write unit test cases for student service, right? Then student service class name suffix test need to be add suffix test finish annotate at class level annotate at Springboot test. So then take one method public unit methods are void methods starts with test service here method name save student like this annotate. This is a test method at test. Control shift O. Check the import Jupyter imports mandatory. So, private. I want to write genuine test cases for the student service, right? Private student service. I am using inject mocks here. Inject mocks. Either you can use at auto wide. Inject mocks are auto wide. After that, in student service, one student repo is there, right? We need to mock this. We need to mock. So at mock. So we are using mock, right? Then we need to say like we need to enable this mocking. So we need to enable this mocking. For that public void setup b for each nothing but every test method this will be invoked Mockito annotations dot open mocks here. Every inside Mockito every method is static method. That's why we are calling class names. Remember this initializing all mocks. This will do initialize like object creation kind of. Initializing all mocks. Initializing all mocks. So student service is right here, right? Student service dot method name is save student. We need to pass student, right? Take one private method, private return type student. So get student. So go to runner, copy this to save sometime, nothing else. So return student. So I am changing this ID 9999 CSE to ECE. Name I am not changing. This I am not changing. So here this dot get student. So let's where I am not working now this. Let's verify what will happen. It will be working. See in student service another method is there. Student repository save. It will be failed here. It will work or fail. Let's verify first. JUnit test. See this is the JUnit test case. So it is starting this Springboot application. Wait some time. See here, it is failed, null pointer exception. So it is failed. It is saying student dot get ID because student get ID is null. Let's do one thing. Let's command this without mocking. It is working or not. Right click, run as JUnit. So student service auto wait one class is there. So without that mocking, it is working or not. First we can verify. Then I will show how to mock. See, it is not working. Null pointer exception. Student report dot save because student repo is null. So it is not working. So it is not working. If it is working, we are getting. Without mocking, it is not working. If mocking, then we are getting like here, we are getting null. So to resolve that, Mockito dot when we need to use in Mockito, all methods are static methods. Check here, all are static methods like this. All are static methods. All are static methods. Check in Outlook. You open any method like suppose spy open spy. This is static method. Like all are the static methods. So Mockito dot when what is expecting? Let's see. Mockito dot when. Okay, we need to pass here this dot student repo dot then return. Here we need to pass this one student repo dot save. If this method is called, we are saying if this method, if this student repo interface is called and save method is called, then return this dot get student. So we are saying to return this. So then it will return string. We are getting actual assessments dot. Here also assessments. Everything is a static method. Asset not null. Asset not null. Actual. Control as right click run as JUnit test case. See, let's verify this test case passing or failing. So this test case also failed, saying null pointer exception. So because save student is null. So that means here while Mockito.when don't use any like these student with values, don't use. It is allowing only this type only, right? This student object only allowing with this fixed values. Like don't use this, remove. Mention the Mockito.any student object. Mockito.any class, mention the student.class. That means when you Mockito.when student report.save, this means any student, if any student is called, then return. If this service method any student is called, then return this. So this means setting expectations, setting expectations. See, these are setting expectations to this mock object, right? After that, student service dot save student, right? Let's verify now. Right click, run here, JUnit test case. Here, JUnit console. So starting the Springboot application. Let's wait some time. See, now test case is green, so it is passed. So as of now, we are verified not null or not, right? So now it will return this message, right? Control C, string expected equal to this bit will return, right? After that 9999 is a ID. Let's check both are equal or not. We are getting same only. We are equal or not. Let's verify. Assertions dot asset equals the expected this one actual we are getting from the API, this service. So run here JUnit. Let's wait some time. See now the test case is green. So successfully run. So expected and actual are same. Expected and actual are same. So this test case successfully executed, right? This is the setting expectations. Expectation, we are getting the actual. This is setting expectations, right? This is the student report. We are mocking. Mocking is nothing but setting expectations. After that, actual. This is the actual test method. Test method call. This is the validating. Validating results. We are getting expected or not. Validating results. Verify. Verify mock methods calling or not. Verify mock methods. Verify mock methods here. Verify mock methods calling or not. Then use Mockito dot verify. Verify. See, we need to pass the student report. Student report dot save method. Save method. We need to pass this dot get student. So we are verifying mocking method calling or not. Right click run as JND test case. If it is success, then it is calling save method internally. It is failed, then it is not calling. See, we are mocker right one save method student report dot save. Then we are checking that is calling or not. See, we are getting. So arguments are different wanted. So we are getting the arguments are different. For that, we need to add here in student add the other right of toasting. Add at the right of toasting and equals and as code. Equals and as code. If you don't want to add these many, add directly single one at data annotation. So now check. Right click run here JUnit test. It is saying two different objects, right? So let's verify here JU. This is the now test case is failed. So we are successfully completed. What to write JUnit test cases for Springboot app by using Mockito. Mockito is the testing framework, right? This code I will explain again. See, this service class we want to do JUnit test cases. For that class name, service class name, suffix add the tester. This is the first one. After that, annotate at Springboot tester. This is the Springboot project, right? So add Springboot tester. So we want to do JUnit test cases for the service class. For that, either use auto void or yet inject moves annotation. In service class, few of the fields are there, like auto void fields are there. The service class calling another class, right? Student repository. This interface is calling. So for that mock that need to be mock to activate mocks mockdown annotation dot open mocks. You can mention this in either inside test case or like this. So if multiple test cases are there, if you are adding same in every test case, then it is like a duplicate code. So saying B for it. B for it is nothing but every test case calling B for every test method. So if you want to execute first, it is executing, right? Before executing, it will be called this. Then it will be executed. If another JUnit test method is there, then first it will be executed, then JUnit test cases will be executed. So we have mocked one student report, right? For that we are using setting expectations. Mockito.when. So when student dot serve, if when student dot save method is called, then return this object get student. So actual method call. We are calling the service class method save student. Validating results. We are checking post is not null. This result is null or not. After that, we are adding one string expected something. This student saved successfully ID. So it is equal or not. We are checking here verify mock methods calling or not. So after that, it is really the student, save student is really calling student repo or not. Verifying by using mockito.verify. This is the student repo dot save. Same, we are passing, this is the student object. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.